Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to jump back with Tkinter and learn how to actually add some functionality to the command, and we're going to learn how to add a separator, which is this little line right here, so kind of breaks up how to make these menus easier to function. So this is what we do here. We build one thing onto the other, so that's why it's super important that we've hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And if these are the type videos you like, let's make sure we are hitting the like button for me. So alright, this is where we left off. And we have our file. And it creates our little menu, but nothing happens. So alright, now this is how we handle this. So let's create a function that we're just going to call it do, and it's just going to print oh my god, this works. Close that out. So alright, it is literally this simple. Command. And we just call the actual function object, and Python takes care of the rest. So you do not give it the parentheses of the function. Boom. Just like that. Boom again, and so on. So now we have the gist of this. So this is I could add let's do, so we could begin to see, copy, paste, we're going to call this save, then exit. Now let's see if we can remember. Let's go through the steps of making a second menu item. Let's call it, we're gonna have it be just like this and be edit. Alright, so edit can be anything you want to, but I'm gonna keep this very clean and clear. Menu tk dot menu, and I bring in everything the same as here. Alright. Okay. And then main menu. Going to create the new cascade. So cascade, so I'm creating a new object of what I want to call it. You use cascade, then the commands are the actual inside of it. Alright? Okay. So add cascade label, and we're going to call this edit. And where does this pull from? It's going to pull this from edit menu. Menu, edit menu. So there we go. Helps if you give the parentheses. Menu, and it's add command. We're going to label this undo and redo, kind of standard bearer. Undo. And then we're going to cheat, copy, and then call this redo. So, okay. Save, run. Oops. Main menu not defined. And this is lowercase. There we go. So, all right. Let's make sure we're in the middle. Boom. Boom. All right. So now we have some stuff here that we want to separate. And it is literally this easy. File. Menu. Dot. Add separator. Did we close it? Yep. Helps if you spell it right. Bring it down. Boom. Now we have our little line. It works. 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 Next time, we're a little bit of foreshadowing. We are going to learn how to kill the window. Completely close it, because we just gave some functionality here of how to exit. So we need to learn how to activate that. So there we go. That's how we add an actual command and functionality to our key V window, and we learned how to add a menu separator. So there we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I will get right to them. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.